Welcome to SWhoop. SWhoop is a multi-day hoop convention that happens in Bristol in the UK. 40 workshops total. There's hoop, there's dance, there's crafting, there's 2 massive gala shows.
Awesome food, we cater for all diets. Apart from that, it's just an awesome place to be. When I'm here, I just feel like I want to hug everyone and I feel so inspired.
There's just so much going on, so many different people from different countries. It's lovely.
You have 1 gala show on the Friday and 1 full gala show on the Saturday. It's like so many shows happening. Workshops everywhere, crafting, pretty things, origami.
It's therapy, it's meditation, it's fun, it's silly, it's good workout. Yeah, it's like the highlight of my year.
You have to come to SWhoop because of the energy of all the hoop community coming from all over the world. That's the place you come back to see your friends, hoop sisters.
Yes. Yeah. Happy to see you next year.
Yeah, next year, guys. Bye.
Bye.